Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a young girl named Cinderella. Cinderella was kind-hearted and gentle, but her life was filled with hardship. After her father's passing, she was left in the care of her cruel stepmother and stepsisters, who treated her as a servant in her own home. Cinderella's days were spent cleaning, cooking, and tending to the needs of her stepfamily. Despite the constant mistreatment, Cinderella remained resilient, finding solace in her dreams and the love she held in her heart. One day, news spread throughout the kingdom that a grand ball would be held at the palace, and all eligible maidens were invited. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters were thrilled at the prospect of attending, but they forbade Cinderella from joining them, leaving her behind in tears. As the day of the ball arrived, Cinderella found herself alone, her dreams of attending the royal affair seemingly shattered. But fate had something extraordinary in store for her. With the help of her fairy godmother, her rags transformed into a magnificent ball gown, and a pumpkin turned into a splendid carriage. Cinderella was given the chance to attend the ball, but she was warned that the magic would last only until midnight. Stepping into the grand ballroom, Cinderella's beauty and grace caught the attention of everyone, including the prince himself. Entranced by her presence, he couldn't take his eyes off her. They danced the night away, and Cinderella felt like she was living a dream. However, as the clock struck midnight, Cinderella remembered the warning and hurriedly left the palace, leaving behind a single glass slipper in her haste. The prince, captivated by Cinderella, resolved to find the maiden whose foot fit the slipper. Word spread throughout the kingdom that the prince was searching for the mysterious maiden who left the glass slipper behind. Every maiden tried to fit their feet into the delicate slipper, but it was Cinderella's tiny foot that perfectly matched its size. Reunited with Cinderella, the prince recognized the kindness and inner beauty that radiated from her. He declared her his true love and swept her away to the palace, where they lived happily ever after. Cinderella's story serves as a reminder that kindness, perseverance, and the belief in one's dreams can lead to a magical transformation. Her journey from servant princess is a testament to the power of love and the triumph of goodness over cruelty. And so, Cinderella's tale continues to inspire generations, teaching us that true beauty lies within and that dreams can come true, no matter how impossible they may seem.